How to practice demo trading on QU Matix Trading Bot app. Let us begin without delay. First of all, open up the QU Matix Trading Bot app on your device. And after you have logged in using your credentials and your authentication code, you will be taken into the trading homepage. Now, you can practice demo trading by making sure that your demo account is selected within your account section. Within the trading tab, you can start your manual trade. In order to choose between currencies, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, you can click on the currently selected asset or the drop-down menu alongside it. You can now choose your trade pair, which includes various currencies, cryptos, commodities, and stocks. You can look at the market movement at the right side of each of these commodities. Click on whichever asset you would like to trade with, and now you can set up your timer. Right now it is set to 1 minute. You can increase or decrease your investment amount or type it in manually as well. After this, you are to make your bet, whether the candlestick will move up or down. Make your best guess and perform your selection. Now, I have just made a trade of $1,000 for 1 minute, and I have placed my bet that the candle will move down. Let's wait until the duration is over to see whether we made a profit or a loss. If we go into the Deals tab, we can see our current trade and the timer alongside as well. This is also the page that will show us how much profit or loss we incurred. So right now we had a loss of $1,000. You can practice your trade to get real-time market experience without losing your real-world currency. Using this feature on the QU Matix Trading Bot app, you can get tons of practice in various different kinds of assets. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to practice demo trading without using your real money on the QU Matix Trading Bot app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more finance tutorials. And if you're curious about the robot tab and what it does, make sure to check out this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.